10 best places to visit in Colombia. Hola, amigos! Welcome to another exciting episode of Your Channel Name. Today, we're taking you on a captivating journey through the vibrant and diverse landscapes of Colombia. From bustling cities to pristine natural wonders, Colombia has something for every traveler. So, buckle up as we explore the 10 best places to visit in this South American gem. Cartagena. Cartagena, the jewel of the Caribbean, captivates visitors with its enchanting blend of history, culture, and vibrant colors. Nestled on Colombia's Caribbean coast, this city is a living testament to its colonial past. Cobblestone streets wind through the heart of the old town, where brilliantly hued buildings adorned with bougainvillea create a picturesque setting. The well-preserved colonial architecture speaks to Cartagena's storied history, offering a glimpse into the era of pirates and Spanish conquistadors. The iconic Castillo San Felipe de Barajas, a fortress that once guarded the city, provides panoramic views of Cartagena and the Caribbean Sea. From the lively street vendors to the elegant balconies overlooking bustling squares, Cartagena is a destination that transports you to a bygone era while offering a vibrant and unforgettable experience. Medellin. Nestled in the heart of the Andes, Medellin, often referred to as the City of Eternal Spring, welcomes visitors with a perfect blend of modernity and natural beauty. Surrounded by lush green mountains, the city enjoys a mild climate throughout the year. Medellin's transformation from a once tumultuous past to a thriving urban center is evident in its innovative infrastructure and vibrant communities. Explore the city's neighborhoods, each with its own unique character, and ride the iconic metro cable for breathtaking views of the valley below. Medellin's commitment to art and culture is showcased in its numerous museums, including the Museo de Antioquia, home to an impressive collection of works by Fernando Botero. Take a stroll through Botero Plaza to admire the artist's iconic sculptures. Immerse yourself in the local lifestyle by sampling traditional Colombian dishes in the bustling markets or experiencing the city's lively nightlife. Bogotá. Situated at an impressive altitude in the Andes, Bogotá, the capital of Colombia, is a city that seamlessly blends history, modernity, and breathtaking landscapes. With its bustling streets and diverse neighborhoods, Bogotá stands as a dynamic metropolis that has preserved its cultural roots. The historic La Candelaria district, with its cobblestone streets and colonial architecture, serves as the heart of the city's heritage. Bogotá is home to world-class museums, such as the Gold Museum, which houses an extensive collection of pre-Hispanic artifacts, offering a glimpse into Colombia's rich indigenous history. One cannot miss the panoramic views from Montserrat, a mountain that towers over the city. Whether reached by cable car or a scenic hike, the summit provides a breathtaking vantage point to admire the sprawling city below. Beyond the urban landscape, Bogotá offers a diverse culinary scene, where traditional Colombian flavors blend with innovative gastronomy. From the lively energy of the local markets to the serene beauty of Simón Bolívar Metropolitan Park, Bogotá caters to a variety of tastes and interests, making it a multifaceted destination that truly represents the essence of Colombia. Tayrona National Natural Park. Nestled along the captivating Caribbean coast of Colombia, Tayrona National Natural Park stands as a pristine sanctuary where the lush jungle seamlessly converges with breathtaking beaches. This coastal gem is a haven for nature enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and those longing for a tranquil escape. As you enter the park, dense rainforests open up to reveal a myriad of hiking trails leading to secluded beaches with powdery white sands and crystal-clear turquoise waters. The park's rich biodiversity includes a variety of plant and animal species, creating an immersive experience for those eager to explore the wonders of Colombia's coastal ecosystems. The beaches within Tayrona are nothing short of paradisiacal, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and natural beauty. Arrecifes, with its unique coral formations, and Cabo San Juan, where the dense jungle meets the sea, are among the highlights. Camping options are available for those who wish to fully immerse themselves in the park's tranquil ambience. San Agustin Archaeological Park. Nestled in the verdant hills of southern Colombia, the San Agustin Archaeological Park is a mesmerizing testament to the mysteries of an ancient civilization. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this archaeological treasure trove unfolds across lush landscapes, revealing enigmatic stone sculptures and intricate burial sites that date back thousands of years. Wandering through the park, visitors are transported back in time as they encounter the hauntingly beautiful stone statues that dot the rolling hills. Carved with precision and artistry, these sculptures are believed to represent mythological beings, deities, and ancestral figures from the pre-Columbian cultures that once thrived in this region. The significance of these sculptures remains shrouded in mystery, adding an air of intrigue to the archaeological exploration. The archaeological park encompasses various sites, including ceremonial platforms and tombs adorned with petroglyphs, offering a glimpse into the spiritual and ritual practices of the ancient inhabitants. Beyond the archaeological wonders, the surrounding landscapes are a treat for nature lovers. Visiting this archaeological marvel provides a unique opportunity to unravel the mysteries of a bygone era while surrounded by the serene beauty of Colombia's southern highlands. Villa de Leyva. Nestled in the verdant hills of southern Colombia, the San Agustin Archaeological Park is a mesmerizing testament to the mysteries of an ancient civilization. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this archaeological treasure trove unfolds across lush landscapes, revealing enigmatic stone sculptures and intricate burial sites that date back thousands of years. Carved with precision and artistry, these sculptures are believed to represent mythological beings, deities, and ancestral figures from the pre-Columbian cultures that once thrived in this region. The archaeological park encompasses various sites, including ceremonial platforms and tombs adorned with petroglyphs, offering a glimpse into the spiritual and ritual practices of the ancient inhabitants. Beyond the archaeological wonders, the surrounding landscapes are a treat for nature lovers. Coffee Triangle. Nestled within the undulating hills of Colombia, the Coffee Triangle, also known as the Zona Cafetera, emerges as the beating heart of the country's renowned coffee production. This lush and picturesque region, comprising the departments of Caldas, Quindío, and Risaralda, offers a sensory journey into the world of Colombian coffee. As you traverse the verdant landscapes, endless coffee plantations stretch across the hillsides, their emerald greenery contrasting with the vibrant red of ripe coffee cherries. The Coffee Triangle's elevation, climate, and fertile soils create the ideal conditions for cultivating some of the finest Arabica coffee beans in the world. Visitors can immerse themselves in the coffee-making process by exploring traditional coffee fincas, farms. Knowledgeable guides lead tours through the plantations, explaining the various stages of cultivation, harvesting, and processing. Participate in the hands-on experience of picking coffee cherries and witness the intricate steps involved in transforming the beans from harvest to cup. Guatapi. Nestled among the rolling hills of Antioquia, Colombia, Guatapi stands as a vibrant and visually stunning destination, known for its colorful streets and the iconic monolith, La Piedra del Peñol. Often referred to as the Land of 1,000 Steps, Guatapi offers a captivating blend of natural beauty and artistic charm. The town itself is a canvas of vibrant hues, with each building adorned with intricate bas-reliefs known as zócalos, depicting local traditions, stories, and symbols. Strolling through the streets, visitors can't help but be enchanted by the kaleidoscope of colors that adorn every facade, creating a lively and picturesque atmosphere. The centerpiece of Guatapi is La Piedra del Peñol, a colossal granite rock that rises dramatically from the surrounding landscape. Climbing the 740 steps to the top rewards adventurers with panoramic views of the sprawling Guatapi Reservoir and the lush countryside below. The journey to the summit is not just a physical feat but an experience that unveils breathtaking landscapes at every turn. Guatapi also serves as a gateway to outdoor adventures. Surrounding hills provide hiking trails with stunning vistas, allowing nature enthusiasts to connect with the rich biodiversity of the region. Baricara. Nestled within the rolling hills of the Santander region, Baricara is a gem that has earned its reputation as the prettiest town in Colombia. Stepping into Baricara feels like entering a time capsule, where cobblestone streets, well-preserved colonial architecture, and a serene atmosphere transport visitors to a bygone era. The town's main square, Plaza Principal, serves as a central hub adorned with a charming church and surrounded by whitewashed buildings with terracotta-tiled roofs. The simplicity and elegance of Baricara's architecture create a harmonious and tranquil ambience, inviting travelers to explore its every nook and cranny. For panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes, visitors can take a short hike to the viewpoint of El Mirador. The breathtaking vistas of the Suarez River Valley and the distant Andean Mountains make this vantage point a must-visit. Baricara's appeal extends beyond its streets; it's a gateway to nature as well. The Camino Real, a historic trail connecting Baricara to the neighboring town of Guain, offers a picturesque hike through the countryside, surrounded by lush landscapes and ancient stone pathways. With its tranquil pace of life, Baricara serves as a refuge for those seeking relaxation and cultural immersion. Santa Marta. Nestled on the northern coast of Colombia, Santa Marta beckons travelers with its sun-kissed beaches, rich cultural heritage, and proximity to the breathtaking Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta mountain range. As the oldest surviving city in Colombia, Santa Marta seamlessly blends history, nature, and modernity, making it a vibrant destination for a diverse range of experiences. The city's historic center, with its colonial architecture and charming plazas, provides a glimpse into its storied past. The Cathedral Basilica of Santa Marta, dating back to the early 18th century, stands as a testament to the city's colonial heritage. Santa Marta serves as the gateway to some of Colombia's most stunning beaches. The nearby Playa Blanca, with its pristine white sands and turquoise waters, offers a tropical paradise for sunseekers. The Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, considered the world's highest coastal mountain range, invites nature enthusiasts to explore its cloud forests, encounter diverse wildlife, and experience the indigenous cultures that call this region home. With its blend of history, nature, and coastal allure, Santa Marta invites visitors to embark on a journey that captures the essence of Colombia's Caribbean paradise. And there you have it, amigos, the 10 best places to visit in Colombia. From the vibrant cities to the natural wonders, Colombia is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy travels!